খাওয়ার সময় নিজে কড়াইটা বসানো ছোট, একটু তেল দিয়ে এবার ঘি দিলেই ভালো, নাহলে তেলেই দিবি, একটু কালো জিরে দিলে, একটু গোলমরিচ দিয়ে ভাতটা মেরে খাবি। পেঁয়াজ দিয়ে দিলি, পেঁয়াজ ভাজতে টাইম লাগে, একটু দুটো রসুন দিয়ে দিলি। হ্যাঁ, একটু নিজের জন্য করো, আর কিছু করার নেই, কে করবে এখন না, ওষুধটা খেয়ে যাবে। কে বলছি? শুভ? ও কি ভালো বলেছি, বলে মামা বলে কথা, আজকে লিখেছে। এই কি বাবা সকালে, বা আজ স্যালারি বোনাস পাবে মাসে। হ্যাঁ, বোনাস আমি বলেছিল কি দেবো, বোনাস বলেছেন না
मीटिंग
এই
अच्छा
মাসে বোনাস পাবো।
मीटिंग अच्छा
ও, তাই জন্য মানে সমাচার পাঠিয়ে দিতে আরে দিকো উঠে বলেছে জানে, দিকোকে কোলে করে খেলছি না মা,
हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग
Hello.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning, sir.
सो हाउ आर यू
Hello.
हाउ आर यू
I am fine, sir. What about you and your family?
yes so with new energy
Yes, sir.
what about anything you heard about spandan
Which one, sir?
spandan
Sir, I didn't heard about anything about him.
okay you told you will call him have you called him
No, sir, not actually.
you told you will talk to him but why not
Like, I'm not much. I I didn't talk. Like, he's stranger to me till now.
nobody is a stranger everybody is a stranger because
Yeah,
everybody
yeah, exactly. But I will call today, sir. I will call him today and I will ask him.
okay now I have made you that co-host so can you share your QT
Okay, sir. Okay. Can you see this?
yes
So these are the files I did for text finder.
can you show me the CPP file
Okay, sure. This is the CPP file. I have given an
okay
input from .txt file.
input docs ext okay so
Yes, sir.
so your code will only search for this file
Yes, sir.
that's why
Like
it
some
was not
word.
working in my system
It was just. I guess it is also not working in my system. There is some issue for finding word, I guess.
okay so you
Yes,
could
sir.
not fix it
So I can do this up till now here. So I couldn't fix it. Like I need to work something for some more time on this fixing this
okay
error. So
so
this
so
is
can you
fine, right,
show
sir?
me that
As of now.
exe file
Okay, sir. Okay, sure. This is the exe file, sir.
this I am seeing that qt screen only
Okay, okay, I will share. So this is executable too, sir. From here we can see this. Are you able to see text finder now?
Yes.
This is the file I have opened. So for deployment of this, I did just I have copied a command, a path from this, and I opened a file like it. I will show you. So I used this, and I give a console, and I have given a command of. I have given a path here. So actually, I have given a path here, sir.
Hmm.
So after that, I need to hit a command, and after hitting that, it will run and it will create and update items so that
You
exe file will work.
show that. Show that how it will work.
Now,
Hmm.
okay, sir. Okay.
You should make a Qt directory and save all the
Ah,
material.
yes, sir. Yeah, I have created. Yeah, I have.
Okay.
This is for that file only, sir.
Okay.
So I need to first. I need to check for that. I will do it right. So allow me for 5 minutes.
No,
2 minutes.
you have exe file, no?
Ah, yes, sir.
That you show me that
Ah, like I have to hit a command, right? Wind. Which one?
exe file. How to run that exe
Sir, I have
file?
shown.
Ah,
Sir, it is opening directly in this system.
where? I'm not seeing. You have to change the
It-
screen share.
Okay, okay. It is just opening directly, sir.
Where is that location? Hmm.
Sir, you can see it right now, right?
Yes, this has opened in my laptop also. Up to this is it is okay.
Yes, sir. It is exe file, right?
Okay. So it is not finding any text.
Not right. It is just basic. I have written like basic for finding. I need to write some code.
Okay.
Maybe some debugging is required in this.
Okay. Go back.
Okay, sir. So to
How
Qt.
exe file while what exe file you can open a notepad and can you show the code you written for creating this deployment it in Windows.
Sir, for deploying in these Windows, just I did 2 to 3 things, sir.
Hmm.
First, I have made a wait. I will show this also.
Hmm.
So first, I kept this in release mode, sir. First I kept this in release mode. This one.
Okay.
So after that, I
Mm,
hit a
have you any idea about projects? Can you hit these projects?
which one?
Projects in left side debug then projects.
This one.
Below your debug,
Okay.
there is.
This one. Okay. Oh, yeah, sir. Yeah, I did this. So through this only
So one
I have
minute.
deployed it.
You have used Mingo 64, okay? And
Yes, sir. Yeah.
this is okay. Now you hit this text finder.
Yes, sir. I kept it in release mode, and after that, I have given a path here where I should save the file, and after that, it will be created. Then I need to copy it to another file, and I have given the path of that file in console. Then after that, I hit a command called wind deploy qt.
Hmm.
So through that, I got that file which I am showing here in executable to file. I have sent a zip right. So when I hit that command wind deploy qt in that console,
Hmm.
then I got these files actually.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
have you got the idea about what is called build, run, then?
Yes, sir. I got some idea about this at run and build. Yeah.
Okay. Now, should I share my code so that you can start working on that?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Before that, have you done anything with QML?
No, sir. Not. No, I didn't work on it.
Mm,
I need to learn. If you want me to learn about it, I can learn in the from the
you have to
YouTube
learn.
tutorials.
It is all required,
Okay,
and
sir. Then
this
I
is
will.
not very much difficult, very easy thing. And
Okay, sir. Then I will look
hmm.
something more
Now
videos on it
you
and
go back to your Qt screen.
yeah. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Create a new project. I will create a new project.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So I'm
So
getting
create
these items.
a console project. Console.
So actually, when I create this, so is
Hmm.
everything fine from application side?
Hmm.
Sir, my console is not opening, sir. When I hit something here.
Name it. Then location. You remember location.
Yes, sir. So this is the kit in my laptop. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So can I finish this here? So
So
charging is yeah. Sir, you can actually tell I will deal with this charger.
now you can run this.
So I need to run this. Okay.
Here you can see number 4. Compile output.
Compile output. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So what is the output?
I didn't get anything. It just exited normally.
Any remark is there whether it is giving any output or not?
No,
Any
sir.
error
No,
message?
no remarks here.
You can see the issues. You can click on issues. Number 1.
Yes, sir.
So no
No
issue.
issues.
No
No
issue.
issues.
So then application output. Click on application output. What it
No
is
issues
telling.
here. It is just telling for qml.exe. I have created file, right? So I'm getting that .exe file outside.
Hmm?
It is just telling starting the file.
This you have said something for QML exe.
I didn't set anything.
Some command somewhere it is. Why it is going for QML?
Sir, I have created that QML file like that in the starting.
So why it is coming here?
Sir, it is creating for qml.exe file here. I don't know why it is. In the last part.
So forget about this.
Okay,
Close
sir.
this file. Now create a create a new file. Now
Console.
you select projects, Qt Quick library. Mm, I'll show you when we start the Qt. Then what should be here? You are getting only 2 applications. Qt Quick. You
Yes, sir.
click on Qt Quick. This next one. Yeah. So Qt Quick application, empty Qt Quick application. Have you tried it?
For QML, empty.
Hmm.
For
Yes.
QML, I guess we need to take it.
Hmm. You can set some default every time. You need not go
Okay,
to.
okay. I will set it default now.
Go back. Go back. What is the
Yes.
go back? Next. Next. Here.
Back or
What
next
is?
I need.
Oh, 5.12. Why it is
Sir, I am not.
5.15?
I didn't get that version previous one.
You have installed 5.15, no?
Yes, sir. I have installed 5.15. Why it is showing? I don't know.
So you change it.
Okay, Qt 5.15.
Okay, now go next.
It is just okay. Yes, sir. This is
Now
QML file.
you build it. Now you see projects. You go to projects.
I need to build. Okay.
No, 1 minute. This is Mingo 64. Okay, now, okay.
Can I run?
Hmm. Now from there, I think you have to show the output, com compile output.
Yes, sir. I got some hello world kind of thing.
Have you clicked that 4, number 4 at the
Which
bottom?
one?
Hmm.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
It exited normally, elapsed time. That's it, not more than
So any window coming?
Yes, sir. I got a window. Hello world.
So QML is working.
Yes, sir. It is working. Yeah, in that video you have shown right how to do this in now. So I
Hmm.
have some idea about this.
Okay. Now go back, close this, and I will share my screen.
Okay.
Hmm. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir. I can see.
So new project. So you see when I
Okay.
click the new project, my screen, and you can compare it with you that what is different. Acha, you are in 15. So 15 setup may
Yes,
be
sir.
changed.
5.50.
So
Yes,
here
sir.
you see everything is coming in one screen. I think for your case it is application, and then quick application
Quick
is coming.
application and
Yeah. So now let us create a console application. Can you read my
yes, sir.
letters, or I
Uh,
should make it
yes, sir.
bigger?
Qt cons. Yeah, I can read. I can read.
Okay. So choose, then suppose C dash, and it will be
Some path.
saved at D drive, and 2001, and let me create a new project. Qt 2021. Just this is my folder, and so I am giving this name. Okay,
Okay.
file name. Can you see this screen?
Yes, sir. I can see.
I don't think you are what you are seeing now.
Qt 2021 East 1.
And file name, what I have given file name.
East 1 and 2021 your file name is.
File name.
Some Qt 2021 I have given something. Qt 2021.
So next screen you are not seeing, I think. Okay. So I have selected a folder and I have given a name. It is telling no path exists. Okay. So this is now file name. Can you see that file name?
Yes, sir, I can see.
What is that?
Sir, I didn't see that. Directory, right? You're asking the directory, right?
No, the file name. I think I am in other window. What you are not seeing?
Sir, I can see your cursor. Okay, fine, fine. You are in
Project
Qt.
location. It is project location
Yes, sir,
window.
I can see it. Qt 2021
So
test. Just file name.
name, file name.
Qt underscore 2021 underscore test.
Okay, then you are with me.
Yes,
Then
sir, I will.
QMake. Then I am taking this
Yes, sir.
translation not required. Then here I am
Ah,
selecting that I think this thing is not coming to you. This page
yes,
is
sir, I'm
coming
not
to
getting
you.
these things.
Huh?
I'm not getting these things, sir, actually. I'm getting only one thing. Desktop one.
So here,
On
no,
64
here
bit.
you are, I am selecting this. You are getting this, no? Desktop
Yes, sir,
main.
I'm getting that one.
Okay, so I am selecting that. I think
I'm
you
getting that
have,
one, yeah. Where
I
is
have
cursor is hovering
created
now. I can
many
see.
kits. So it is appearing here. You have created, I think, one kit only.
Yeah,
So
I got only one.
that is only, so next and finish.
Okay.
So this is the thing I am getting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going there. I am putting it. Then I am hitting it. Run. And you can see that
Okay, it shows up.
email. You see, this should appear.
Sir, I can't see anything.
You can see this black window.
No, I can't see that.
Okay.
Sir, in my laptop, that black console is not coming, sir. I don't know why it is.
So why not coming? That you have to find.
Yeah, I will check out. I will work on it for some while. Like,
You see this console has come. Now you can see.
yes, sir, I can see now.
So this is the console actually you should get.
Yeah. So I have seen that on that video on the deck. So that's why I told you on this.
So I don't know. So this with this what
Sir?
mm, let me uh, let me call what I should say. What is his name? Uh, Spandana.
Anand.com.
Huh. Can you see his number?
Yeah, can I tell?
Just wait. Now you can tell.
Okay, wait a minute, sorry. Okay. It is 83988. Hello? Sorry, you are muted. Okay, okay, I will wait.
Can you see the chat?
Sir, okay, I will try. Sir, he is not lifting. Hello?
Yes,
He is not lifting phone, sir.
yes. So forget about it. And
Okay.
what I will do, I will send you the file through email,
Okay, sir.
and you open it in your Qt,
Okay, sir.
and then create an exe file, and then mm, if it is successful, fast, and then if it is everything is okay, then we will create an uh, 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 deploy Windows. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So we are closing this meeting now.
Okay, sir. Okay. So actually, you will send me a file, then I have to work on it, right? So whether deployment is done or not.
Everything means you should understand that logics and everything, and then we will. That
Okay,
is the
okay,
main
sir. Okay.
file. Hmm?
Okay, sir. Okay, send me, sir. Okay.
And anything from your
Okay, sir.
side?
Thank you so much.
Anything from your side?
No, sir, if I got some any other doubts, I will let you know. I will call you as of now.
So you don't have any Wi-Fi and this charger problem, no?
Not now, sir. Sir, actually, my charger is like some loose connection is there, sir. I have found it, so I know some trick for that. So I'm getting charged in that way, and I no Wi-Fi issue as of now.
Okay. And
Mostly there
and
won't be such issue.
and you should keep on writing these things in our doc file,
Yes,
DPR
sir. I
file.
will write. I will write. I will be updating that file, sir.
Yes, and anything you require, you can directly contact me without
Okay, sir.
wasting time with what I should say,
Google
surfing
browsing. Yes, sir. Yes,
Google
sir.
and all those things. Okay, time is very important, and direction also. Whatever you will be planning to do, if you can tell me that, sir, I am doing this, then I can guide you that whether you are doing proper thing or not. Many times, what we waste time that you try to do something which we may not require,
Okay,
and
sir. Okay.
sometime what I require, I think you will not doing in that line. So that
Yeah.
should be avoided, and we should focus on our real required work. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay. Thank
bye
you.
for now.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
So I will be closing this meeting.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
And why you are not getting console? That is one concerned area is there.
Yes, sir. I will look into it, sir. If there is way to download it or something, I will look into it.
I don't know. Means it is not a kit issue.
If that doesn't work, and I will try to download the latest version if that doesn't work.
And you require MSBC 19. What is MSBC, you know?
MS.
VC, MSBC?
Sir, I don't have that one here. I can see some Qt 5.5, 15.2, Ming GW, and some designer linguist assistant files.
That I have written. Can you see that in chat?
Yes, sir, I can see, but that is not existing in my thing.
Hmm?
That is not existing in my laptop.
I think you should um, Visual Studio. I think you should download and install, and you should also. No, at present you work on Visual Studios only.
Okay, sir, I will download Visual Studio.
So that may be require sometime when we goes for some packages which we Ming GW will not help. There we have
Okay, sir.
to. So meanwhile, I will be sending you the file where we are working. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So I'm closing this meeting.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will install that Visual Studio as of now.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So
thank
bye
you,
then,
sir.
huh?